Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me Ost. Today we are taking a look at the Logitech Circle 2 indoor-outdoor security camera and in a bunch of other languages which you can read if you...
I need to see the...
Okay, you need to see the box.
Will you hold...
Dang boxes, okay.
Shush!
So,
this whole thing about breaking the fourth wall?
Yes, this...
There we go.
You keep breaking the fourth wall all the time. Here...
I keep breaking a lot of walls with these farts. Jesus!
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Casper. Hi, big boy.
And we have Casper with us today also.
Our special guest.
He's a very handsome bunny.
His first appearance.
For this unboxing experience review, which is
we
also
had
going to be a bunny experience review.
Very much so.
We have rolled out the red carpet for him.
And set a James Woods trail.
Yep.
Also.
Ooh, piece of candy. So
you ruined it.
With this
Jesus. I stepped on a tube or something.
With this box, you can already tell that it's going to be a tough one because they have gosh darn stickers where there's not supposed to be any, but I'm going to try without the knife first because it should be
Casper,
no issue.
come back.
But as you know,
Casper,
the things that should be no issue often are issues, which is why I brought the knife, which is not a carpet knife, even though it certainly...
It's not a carpet muncher either.
No, it's not a carpet muncher.
There's definitely a carpet muncher in the frame, but it's not the knife.
Yep, and it's not that kind of carpet muncher, so sorry if anyone...
Wait, that was actually... Casper, you should have been on the carpet and eating food, so I could have...
Yeah.
Yep, well, we know...
You ruined the joke.
We all know that I didn't mean the bunny either, so...
Anyhow, once you have gotten rid of this annoying sticker, whether you choose to do it with your fingers or the knife... yeah.
It wasn't me this time.
If you want to... Don't use... the knife in those circumstances. Just use your fingers, it's safer. Just wash your hands afterwards. Anyway, inside the
Otherwise
box,
you might get something sticky on you.
Anyway, look at that.
Oh my goodness! Casper! Don't run and hide, it's fine! Everyone's first reaction is to run and hide, and his 51st reaction is still
and inside
to
the box,
run and hide.
Inside
the box. Yeah,
yes,
the box.
Inside the box.
Box.
Which is not that kind of box, it's a different kind of box.
I don't know what other kind of box you could possibly make.
Two boxes. Because, well, why not? Two boxes. Maybe there's two cameras. Who knows?
Oh.
So, yeah, you just sort of pry it open. And this looks like...
If you gotta pry open your box, you're doing it wrong.
Yep, don't pry it open. Just lube it up first, and then...
Wait, what?
Things will sort themselves out. So here's a stand or something.
Isn't that actually the camera itself?
No, I'm pretty sure it's just a stand. And then here...
I'm pretty sure your face is just a...
Yeah, well...
Alright, you guys be the judge of what that is.
As long as you're not Judge Judy. Now, a lot of viewers are saying that my unboxing experience reviews have really gone downhill lately, and I'm inclined to agree with you actually.
Yeah,
now,
because your wife needs a med change, or
that's
the stand.
Is this packing material?
It's the stand.
How can it be the stand if it is stuck to the...
Is it not the stand? What the fuck is...
I'm pretty sure that...
you broke it.
Yeah. Look, the glue came off.
I'm already gonna rate this review for you.
Yeah.
Rate the
fail.
review.
Okay, so here, this is probably the camera.
I told you it was.
Yeah, well, it's not so easy to know before you've opened everything.
Not if you're a guy.
Don't judge me.
Don't you judge me.
And we have a second box that opens just the same. And it's not another camera in here. It's the Circle 2 wired. So, what we have here is this thing.
Wait.
What are you?
I'm gonna look at this. And since I'm looking at it, I'm gonna film it because this is my eyeballs.
You're gonna look at it. Oh well, I think here we have what seems to be the stand actually. Like here's the base, and here's the tweeter. No, this is not speakers. So, but this is the base, and here.
And so there's no treble. It's just all about the all about the.
I said this is the tweeter.
So there is no bass. Oh man,
No,
Megan Trainor is gonna be pissed.
I said here's the bass and here's the trebles.
I don't understand.
No, well, treble is.
I don't understand.
Stand. Oh yeah, well that's. And here.
And here's Casper taking a dump.
You might think that this is
Who's a good boy?
I don't know what this is though, like screws, probably spare parts. If you break the camera, you can reassemble it. I didn't think that this would be an IKEA product, but apparently it is.
We're in Sweden.
We're in Sweden, so everything is IKEA. Here's a broken wall outlet.
Wait, I gotta see. Oh yeah, it's broke. Yep, it's broke.
And here is another broken wall outlet.
Oh, that's really broken. Yep. What is wrong with the fucking...
Sorry I got you broke stuff. And here...
My plug broke.
Here is
Look, guys. Is Casper? He won't leave this pen.
No.
He's scared of everyone and everything here. He thinks we're all fucking crazy. I don't know where he got that idea, but... You know, we're baby steps. We roll it out the red carpet.
Yep, rolling out the red carpets, and then you have some instruction manual in 5011 illinguable languages. But anyhow, here is a stand with a USB thingy, so you can plug this into the thing. Here are some different wall socket adapter type things for if you live in different country.
Wait, have people actually complained that your videos have gone downhill?
Yeah, they
Who?
Like,
who?
There were people who were saying, "Oh,
tell me the bitch's name."
You could look it up. What is this? Did this come in the package?
Yeah.
Oh, it's you also get a piece of salad included. Lettuce.
It's not. Yeah.
Lettuce. Okay, but here's the stand, the actual camera. This is probably just packing material.
Yeah, it wasn't a stand. I can't stand that.
No. Well, it's because you are basing your opinion in false. No travel.
Jesus Christ, people! Can you imagine this poor dude deals with this shit all day?
It is not so bad.
All day.
Not so,
it's not so bad. It's not so bad.
Okay, it's bad. Like, seriously though, when you get the packaging and that, you'd think that stuff.
Shit, you're gonna get a copyright claim now.
Broken. Oh yeah.
Because my singing was so good, they're gonna think I'm Nora Jones or whoever the.
Do you mean your singing was not so bad?
Fuck.
So yeah.
Can you tell why he won't come out?
It's
He's gonna eat his foot, cause that's what you do.
So for the unboxing experience, it all comes in all kinds of different parts. I don't understand.
Comes in parts.
Yes, well, at least it didn't come in its pants, because that would be embarrassing. So, unboxing experience. there was tape. There were 2 identical boxes with unidentical content. Very, I would say 6 out of 10. I've had better. It's not super intuitive or anything. Thankfully, this isn't mine. This is my wife's.
Who's that bitch? I'll kill her.
That's the topic for an entirely different conversation.
No, but seriously, this is so that I can keep an eye on what his ass is doing around. No, it's really so I can see if he does anything.
Like stuff like that she will be able to see with this Circle 2. The Logitech Circle 2 is what this is.
This was my Christmas present, by the way, you guys.
Oh yeah, because we bought an Arlo Pro, or I bought an Arlo
Yeah, don't blame
Pro
this shit on me.
wireless. See, the thing is, I bought an Arlo Pro wireless, or Arlo Pro 2 wireless, this and that. And I didn't realize that you actually need one of those smart home bridges. And since no one wants to make...
Base station.
Yeah,
it sounds cool.
Base
so it's
station.
like space station.
Not a tweeter.
There's a space station right there.
Not a tweeter station, not a treble station, a base station.
A Megan Trainer station.
Who's the trader?
Megan Trainer. It's that bitch that that girl. She's like, I'm all that but. No, I can't.
Or you could all.
Can you sing it, Casper? So I'm all about that bass, about that bass. Now travel all about that bass, about that bass. Did you enjoy that?
I think
so. I'm all about that bass, Now travel. I don't even know how it goes. I'll have to look it up.
The unboxing experience, though, I did not enjoy. I would have to say it is a 6 out of 10.
6?
Yep, 6.
It's just because of what it's called in Swedish. You're obsessed with. You can't. 6 is just.
Okay, 5 3/4 out of 10.
I would say 4.8.
No, 5 3/4.
Yeah, but I
mean 5.75. And then look at this mess. Like, I don't even know how you're supposed to assemble any of it, but thankfully, like
this video is 12.5 minutes long.
That's fine. You know, I'm probably gonna put something in the description on about how it's all derailed and all the.
No, but just say something about how there's a cute bunny, because sometimes there is.
There may be a rabbit in the videos occasionally.
I'll make sure that they really get their money's worth, and that there are 2 rabbits, 2 bunnies for all the monies.
Money's for the bunnies.
Lucy! Lucy! Hey, wake up! Lucy! Good morning. Really? Really, rabbit? Lucy! Casper!
Casper.
These 2, I swear to God. Oh, by the way, she will kill him if I put them together, so that's why. But we're working on it.
We're working on it. And I wish Logitech would work on their boxings so that their unboxings wouldn't be such...
Can you say it like Jesus?
Jesus?
No, but like... and if Logitech would just work on...
Oh, yeah, Tech Jesus. She's talking about Steve Burke of the
Jesus
Gamers Nexus. Well, he would probably say something like... Well... And the thing about Logitech is, I contacted them 2 weeks ago. Yesterday, I got a response saying that there's nothing wrong with the cardboard boxes. But as you can clearly see, the quality is sufficiently deficient. There's no excuse for this. It's absolute garbage, and I would rather chop off my toe than have anyone... okay, it's not that bad. Like...
I think your hair grew 2 inches during the time that you...
Yeah, but I have quite a bit before. Hey, if you want me to have as many subscribers as Tech Jesus, subscribe to my channel, and I also make 8-bit music.
No, I have a better pitch here.
Okay.
If you think this guy needs as much hair as Tech Jesus,
subscribe. You went there. You told me.
I did.
Okay, well,
I went the hair.
You went the hair. Okay, that's just like...
You know I love you.
Well, that was pun.
Oh, look at him. He's so cute. He's laying on his little shelf. He's so tired. Who's a sleepy boy? We need to really end this video. It's over 15 minutes long.
Did you not hear what I said?
No.
That was fun.
No, but it was really bad, so I ignored it.
No, but like, that was fun. That was...
Yeah, but I mean, there is a thing. My father always used to say, punt. Do you remember him ever saying that? Did he ever say that when we were there?
Like, punch someone in the stomach?
I have no idea what he's talking about, actually. But you see, in sports ball, I think it's called football or something, like the American kind. Apparently, if you kick the ball, which you're allowed to do sometimes, with your foot, then it's called a punt. And I think that what he means is, this entire situation is something I would like to punt, as in get rid of it. So if it's something that is lame and stupid, he would say punt. So my question to YouTube is, do any of you know what the fuck he's talking about?
The thing here, though, yeah, if you know what her dad is talking about, leave a comment down below. Or ask a friend, so they'll watch the video and leave a comment down below. So basically, I would appreciate if you subscribe. I make 8-bit music and that sort of stuff, which you should definitely know about. This is probably the longest video that has ever been made by me.
Nah. We're getting there. 16 minutes and 33 seconds.
Okay, which one was the longest?
Fuck if I know. Probably one of those beer videos. There was one where...
They weren't that long.
You were already kind of drunk, and then you started drinking a beer.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
I don't remember, but there was...
And we were laughing
shenanigans.
And laughing. Oh, yeah, well, there was actually someone commenting, I think it was on Twitter, saying, like, I think you got into the beer before you started the video. And I'm like,
how the fuck do you know?
I did not.
But the thing about that...
Lost Adventures 2018.
Yeah, so if you want to be a really good subscriber, dig up the exact video we're talking about and post the link in the comments.
Oh,
and
yeah. As a video response, actually, that would be great.
Can you do that?
Yeah, you can.
I don't know how to use YouTube.
I don't know either, but I've heard there's this thing called video responses and people do it. So if you want to be one of those cool YouTubers and do a video response to this video, then do that. And with that, I think we're gonna have to say see you in the... Did I mention I make 8-bit music? It's in the link in the video down below there. No. So yeah, be a good sport and...
He never explains what 8-bit music is, but it's like this. Remember when you were a kid and you would play video games on like Nintendos and bullshit like that? Well, there would be this shit going on in the background, and you're like, oh, that's okay, but it's kind of annoying. That's the kind of stuff that he does, and it's actually pretty good. It actually is. It's pretty good. It sounds just like that shit. And you know what the best thing is? It is that shit because you can take that shit and play it on... What was it you could do?
Basically, you can take the NSF file and then you can export
Not safe for work.
No, it's actually for the Nintendo sound file, and then you can play it
on
actual NES. And there are people who have done that. There are people who made homebrew games for the NES, and my music's in it, and it's awesome. And I also have a cat in the video. So, yeah, have fun with that, and I will see you in the next one. So, yeah, signing off. Goodbye. Have a good one. See you soon.
19 minutes.